Hello, beautiful. How are you? I want to share something that feels very exciting for me with you. As we are in the Northern Hemisphere, fully in the season of autumn, where the leaves have been falling and letting go with such grace, such elegance, we are reminded of this teaching of letting go, of allowing ourselves, aspects of ourselves, behaviors, patterns, ways of practicing and showing up in the world to die off. These things that have lived out their life cycle in positive, even negative ways. Things that have allowed us to survive and cope and maybe just deal with adversity and the hardships of life, or experiences that are happening at different junctures in our life. But now we know they just don't have the same resonance anymore, the same impact, the same magnitude. There is now this weighing in our heart, this heaviness, this kind of dissonant energy. So, as a human being, it is our job and our responsibility to be continuously looking at how we are using our personal energy. So, one of the things I have become quite masterful at is helping individuals get masterful at working with their energy, understanding what their personal energy is, learning how to nurture it, nourish it, direct it for a more holistic, grounded approach to living a fuller, more magical life. And the more we align our energy, we become more connected with the wisdom that resides within us already. And we start to have more wisdom revealed to us, which looks like maybe meeting parts of us that we've not quite yet healed, integrated. So we call that shadow work. Then, from that place of having aligned energy, a connection with our wisdom and embodying our wisdom, this is when the sweetness happens, the graceful living happens. We start to live more in this energetic consciousness, which we call flow. This is where our higher mind, God, spirit, the universe, creator, creation starts to guide our lives. And we become vessels, messengers. So, something that has happened for me over 22 years of being a yoga teacher and yoga teacher trainer, and 20 as a holistic life coach, soul coach, and mentor, specializing in the unresolved parts, the shadow work, is that without a calm inner center, it is nearly impossible for me to make best decisions that are going to serve me in the long haul. I have found myself quite often when I'm not operating from my center, I am severely then acting from a place of control, scarcity, fear. My anxiety is amped up. My self-doubt starts to get loud, and I freeze. Some of us find ourselves, when we are feeling discomforted, in fight energy. Some of us in fawn energy. So whatever your thing is for how you meet difficulties, turbulence, stress, tension, discomfort in life, which we know is guaranteed, we need to become masterful at coming into our inner calm, this center within us. So I have an incredibly special offer until midnight on Friday, where you can save $100 off of my upcoming in-person Inner Calm workshop. Please check out my website, lanaboyuk.com, or write me, lana@lanaboyuk.com, and I will get you in. Blessings.